What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use 100,000 naira capital, which is about 71 USDT, to make up to 200,000 naira monthly, which is around 142 USDT, as a Bybit p2p merchant. Okay, so guys, make sure you stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Alright guys, so here we are on my Bybit account dashboard right now. So before you can start making money right here on Bybit, you first of all need to have a verified Bybit account. Okay, so having a verified Bybit account is quite easy, guys. You first of all need to have signed up before you can actually start verifying your accounts. Okay, so how can you sign up? I'm going to be leaving a sign up link to Bybit on this video description, and also it's going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay, so you can also join my community to actually get access to valued informations on a regular basis. All right, so guys, when you're actually done signing up, it's going to bring you over to this dashboard you see right here. Okay, so when you are here, what you simply do is up here, it actually shows this human icon. You just simply hit on the human icon right here. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, and then over here that says verified, you also be showing verified. Okay, mine is actually verified. That's the reason why it's showing verified right here. Okay, so when you actually see verify option right here, you just simply hit on the verify option and it's going to load up, guys. Okay, just give this some time. So as you can see, my identity is fully verified to the advanced mode. And as you can see, my benefits down below here, it says daily crypto withdrawal is 2 million USDT, daily fiat deposit is 400k USD, and daily fiat withdrawal is 400k USD. Okay, so yours is not going to be showing like this because you have not yet verified your accounts. Okay, so what are the requirements for verification? So the requirements are either your national identity card, your international passport, your voter's card. So whatever issued identity you have with your government, you can actually use it right here. Okay, and lastly, guys, to actually upgrade your account to advanced mode, just like you see mine right here, you'll be needing a bank statement. Okay, and your bank statement validity should not exceed 3 months, guys, else they won't approve it. Okay, so that is basically what you'll be needing for your verification right here. Okay, so that is it. So when you're actually done with all these verifications, you can now start making money right here on Bybit. Okay, so guys, how can you start making money? How can you actually use 100,000 naira to make up to 200,000 naira monthly as a Bybit merchant? So it's quite easy, guys. All road leads to the P2P trading section. Okay, so you can either access the P2P trading section on your home screen right here. As you can see mine right here, it says P2P trading. Okay, or you can actually access it using the more button right here. If you actually hit on the more button right now, okay, it's going to load up. As you can see right here, it says P2P trading. So it's quite easy, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on P2P trading right now. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Here we are, guys. So as you can see over here, these are merchants who are actually selling USDT right now. Okay, so if you actually want to buy, you can just simply hit on buy right here and you can actually buy USDT from this merchant. Okay, and if you also want to sell, you can just simply click on sell right here to come sell your USDT to any merchant you actually want to sell to. Okay, so the persons right here, the merchants right here on the sales side are actually buying USDT from persons who actually wants to come sell to them, and the persons right here on the buy side, the merchant right here, are actually selling USDT to persons who wants to come buy from them. Okay, so this actually means that the buy side right here on this trading section means sell, and the sell side right here means buy. Okay, so the merchant right here on the sell side are buying, while the merchant right here on the buy side are selling. So it's quite easy, guys. Okay, so now that you actually know about this, you won't be directly selling to merchants or directly buying from merchants. You will be the one who's actually going to be the merchants that people are going to come buy to and also sell to. Okay, so I hope you understand. So how can you actually create ads just like this merchant right here on the buy side and as well the sales side? Okay, so guys, it's quite easy. So creating ads right here is going to be hitting on this ad button down below here. Okay, so I've actually made videos on how you can create a buy ad and also a sell ad to actually start making your profit on a daily basis. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving a link to that video on this video description, guys. Okay, so make sure you go over there, hit on the video link and watch the video to actually get the full basic info on how you can create a buy ad and also a sell ad. Okay, so there are 2 separate videos in which you actually need to watch to actually know how to create those ads. Okay, so I'm not going to be showing you how you can create those ads on this video because I actually don't want this video to get too long. I'm only here to show you the profit margin using 100,000 naira as a Bybit p2p merchant, guys. Okay, so make sure you watch those videos to actually get the full basic info on how you can create your ads. All right. You can also sign up for my course, guys. I actually offer a course on how you can actually be a profitable Bybit P2P merchant trader, just like myself. All right. So over the years, guys, I've actually bagged millions of naira doing this business. Okay. So taking you by the hand and teaching you exactly how it works is going to make it a lot easier for you to also scale up and start making good amount of money for yourself on a day-to-day basis, guys. Okay. Just with 100,000 naira as a startup capital. All right. So hit me up on my WhatsApp or Telegram community in regards to joining my course class. It's actually a lifetime class, guys. Okay. It's just a one-time payment of 15 USDT for now. Okay. Probably the price might actually go up probably in the future, but for now, it's just 15 USDT. Okay. So hit me up regarding that. And boom, guys, I'm going to be responding to your messages immediately. Okay. So right now, guys, how do you scale up your 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira monthly profits? So it's quite easy, guys. First of all, what you need to do is you need to divide your 100,000 naira by 10. Okay, so that gives you 10,000 naira. Okay, so when you are done dividing, guys, what you simply do next is up here that says amount, you just simply hit on it and type in 10,000 naira. Okay, and you hit on confirm. All right. Okay, so this is it. So over here that actually shows this, filter section. You just simply hit on the filter section, and then over here that is show only eligible ads, you just simply tick it off. And over here that is ads with no verification required, you just simply tick on it. Okay, and then you simply hit on confirm right here, guys. Okay, it's gonna load up. All right, so all these persons up here are actually not, they are not real. These are fake prices, guys. Okay, take note. So you just simply scroll down. So these are the real prices right here, 1,400. So they're actually buying for 1,400 naira right here, as you can see. Okay, so when you actually set your ad, you just simply set your ad to be 1,400 points. Let's say 60. So you can actually be above this guy right here with 1,400.55. Okay, so when you actually don't setting it that way, mind you, your maximum limit should be 100,000 naira and your minimum limit should be 10,000 naira in terms of buying from persons who actually wants to come sell to you. Okay, because you're actually using 100,000 naira capital. So I hope you understand. So when you actually don't buying from them, okay, I'm going to go over to my calculator right now. So actually calculate how much USDT you'll be getting in total. Okay, so guys, let's go. All right, guys. So here we are on my calculator right now. Okay, so I'm going to be imputing our capital, which is 100,000 naira. Okay, and then I actually divide by the amount we actually used in buying from persons who came to sell to us, which is 1,400.60. Okay, so that gives us 71.397972 USDT. Okay, so just make sure you actually type this somewhere. Okay, just save this somewhere, 71.3979 USDT. All right, so I'm gonna go back right now, guys. Okay, so let's go. Here we are. So now, guys, we're actually done with buying USDT from persons who came to sell to us, and it actually rounded up to be 71.3979 USDT. Okay, so now the next step would be going over to the buy section to actually sell our USDT. Okay, creating a buy ad to sell our USDT. Okay, so I'm going to hit on the buy side right now, and then over here that says amount, I'm going to hit on amount right here, guys. Okay, and just simply type in 100,000 naira. Okay, mind you, I'm going to be selling the whole amount of money. Okay, that is it. I'm going to hit on confirm. All right, so that is it. So as you can see over here, guys, these are the prices to actually sell your USDT on the buy side. Okay, as you can see, people are actually selling for 1,403. So remember, we actually bought for 1,400.60. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my calculator right now, so I actually do the calculations so I actually know how much we'll be making from the trade. Okay, so guys, let's go. Here we are, guys. So let's say you're actually selling for 1,403. Okay, so I'm going to type in 1,403. All right, so multiplied by the amount of USDT we actually used in buying. Okay, I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, so that gives us 100,171.2537. Okay, so I'm going to subtract our initial capital from this amount to actually know the exact amount of money we actually made. Okay, so I'm going to equal this right now, and then I subtract 100,000 naira. Okay, so this is equal to 171.2537. So this is actually your profit on one trade, guys. Okay, so let's say you actually do up to 30 trades per day. Okay, you just simply multiply by 30. All right, so that gives you 5,137 naira on a daily basis. Okay, so let's actually multiply this by a week. Okay, times 7 days, that gives us 35,963 naira. Okay, so let's multiply by a month times 4. So that gives us 143,853. Right, so this is the profit you'll be making monthly, guys, just 100,000 naira capital. Okay, and mind you, guys, there are some little charges that will be taking, but it won't be much. Okay, and also, guys, this is just a little amount of money. You can actually scale up much more than this. Okay, so that is the major reason why you need to be a part of my Bybit p2p merchant course class, guys. Okay, because you actually get to know exactly how you can scale up much more than this. This amount of money is actually very little compared to the amount of money you are supposed to be making as a real Bybit p2p merchant. Okay, so everything is actually taught on the course. Okay, so make sure to hit me up, guys. My Telegram and WhatsApp group links are going to be on this video description, so make sure you actually hit me up, and boom, guys, I'm going to be giving you a reply. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now, and if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on this channel, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourself right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.